This is the CobraTec Black Quick Strike Hidden Release folding knife. Has G10 scales with a nice texture, rubberized grip. There's your pocket clip. It opens my thumb stud, nice action. It is a liner lock. But then there's a hidden switch right underneath the scales right here. Push the button, becomes an automatic. Very cool. Push the button, automatic. Go back to thumb stud, and then you're back into the liner lock. Great smooth action. This is the CobraTec Black Quick Strike Hidden Release folding knife. D2 steel, Stonewash.